Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be creating two fall themed cards. I will be stamping the images with Memento Tuxedo Black Ink because we are going to be using alcohol markers to color them. This is my little kiddo helping me to place the stamps. He loves crafting and is always around me when I'm crafting. I'll be coloring the images with Spectrum Noir shades and Copic markers shades. These are my swatches that I created for Spectrum Noir. They make it feel so easy for me to choose the colors that I want. Quick and simple. I'll be showing the color combination that I used for the leaves only once, just to save time, but they're all colored the exact same way. Then we'll be coloring one pumpkin, so you can see how I colored all the pumpkins. And then I'll catch you back when I'm doing the inking. So we're done with coloring. Here are all the die cuts that I'm going to use. These are the branches. I'm gonna be inking them with the walnut stain. I'm gonna be showing one of them just to save time, but they're all inked the same way. And then all around the edges, I'm going to be using ground espresso just to make it pop out a little more and give it better dimension. I'm just gonna ink all the edge all around the branch. So here are 4 of them, and then I cut 2 hills, one just a regular hill and the other one has grass on top of it. I'm gonna be coloring them at the bottom. They're gonna be forest moss, and on top I want it to be a little lighter, so I used Mowed Lawn. They're all Distress inks. Here they are all together. And then the background, I'm gonna be making 2 cards. One is square, I cut it from square stitch die, and the other one is gonna be a circle card. I cut it from a circle stitch die, and I'm inking it with broken china. I'm not gonna go all the way down because the bottom part is gonna be covered with the hills. I'm diluting some of them with water and splashing it. Here I'm just attaching everything to the background. Just trying to show varieties. One of the trees is gonna go behind the big hill, and the other tree will be in front, just to give variety and dimension. The flat hill, the regular hill, is gonna be attached directly to the background, and the grass one is going to be having a little dimension with the foam squares. I'm gonna be placing the pumpkins different, also again with different dimensions. Some are straight to the background, glued straight to the background, and the other is gonna be having some dimension with the foam tape. And then I'm gonna scatter all the leaves around the card to give it depth and colors. I'm just gonna cut whatever is sticking out. Same thing with the other card. Also again gonna cut whatever is sticking out. Placing the word fall, and I'm gonna give it a little decoration, having a red heart on top. I cut my finger. It's just a little broken bone. Was helping the kids mount their bikes on top of the car. We were going for a ride with the bike, and apparently the load was too much on the finger and just twisted and broke. So we're placing some, I found these cute red hearts look very nice and give a variety of color in the card. And then I'm just gonna place them on a cardstock, different colored cardstock. For the round I used black, and for the circle I used yellow and green. And these are the final cards. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me creating these cards today together. I had so much fun, and I will see you next time. I'll leave you with some images. Bye!